Okay, Stuart Bell coaching development course, uh, CrossFit FBG, uh, homework lesson number 4. Okay, today we're going to talk about logistics. And let's start with the layout of our gym. We've got a nice layout, square. We've got all our firm racks that are located on this side. We've got about an opportunity for 6 or 7 folks to be able to do um, wall walks, and we've got plenty of room with initial 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We could do 12 or 15 people doing wall balls. So we've got a really nice setup here. We've got all our plates that are located here. The cool thing is they're on some rollers, so we can bring them out onto the floor as we need them, depending on the workout structure. We've got a big bay door here, which is great. We usually exit and re-enter on our runs from the big bay door, but we also are fortunate enough to have another bay door here. So sometimes we can stagger our starts out of, and finishes out of either door, depending on the size of the class. Over here, we've got our dumbbells and our kettlebells. So we've got a nice section over there. All that's laid out and organized. We've got 6 bikes located here. We've got 8 rowers here. We split it up with some GHDs, but we've got plenty of room here, and we can bring those out depending, if necessary, on the type of the workout that we're doing. We've got a nice rack over here for all our wall ball storage. We've got our entryway here. We've got a men's and a women's restroom with shower, so that's a really nice setup. And then we've got a little lounge area located over here. We've got our boxes located here. We'll bring those out as well, depending on the workout structure. And this is a great area. We've got all our stretching and rollers and things like that for kind of warm up section for those that are hanging out and want to get some extra stretching in. So nice layout for the gym. We've also got 4 ropes located that are full length, and then we have a couple of ropes that are also part of the firm structure, but that'd be shorter, so we'd like to use that for some scaling options as well. So nice layout on the gym. Let's talk about the workout. The workout today is going to be 4 time. We're going to have an 800-meter run, then 3 rounds of wall balls, and 5 wall walks, and then we finish up with another 800-meter run. So for this case, depending on the size of the class, it would be really easy on a typical class, say call it 8 or 10. We could just all line up together, head out on the run, and make plenty of space to knock out our wall balls and our handstand walks. Class got a little larger. We'd have to consider a couple of options here. I think the one that I would go with would be to stagger the start. So because I'm limited to call it 8 or 10 here, so if the class got to 12, 14, even 20, I would split the class appropriately so that we'd have enough room for everybody to comfortably get their wall balls and their wall walks in. But what I would do is stagger the start. I would probably let them go at least 400 meters, but more than likely I would let that first 800-meter run finish in around 4 minutes, and then let the next group go so that we would have plenty of room for the fast folks to not overrun somebody and the slow folks to not get run over by somebody, and have nice crossover ability. So that's how I'd manage this particular workout. I would probably stagger it if the class got larger. But it's going to be a good workout. The gym's got a great layout to facilitate this type of a workout, and we're going to get it started. Thanks.